Now this one's a period romance drama film set in 1953 based on The Last Leaf by O. Henry. Will Vikramaditya Motwane take an Udan from his last film as a director and succeed in robbing your hearts this time as well? Let's find out. The title Lotera is adding up to number 29, an octave of number 2 of Moon, which is actually a very unlucky number. It denotes uncertainties and treachery of others. It foreshadows trials and tribulation, unexpected dangers, unreliable friends, and deception caused by members of the opposite sex. It gives grave warning if it comes in anything concerning future events. As per the numerological meaning derived, this one may turn out to be a case of a very well-made film which may underperform purely if looked at from the box office point of view. But as far as critical acclaim is concerned, it will be praises galore from all quarters. But wait, all is still not lost, as the release date of the film 5th of July 2013 is a day primarily ruled by number 5 of Mercury. And luckily, both the co-producers Ekta Kapoor, born on the 7th of June 1975, and Anurag Kashyap, born on the 10th of September 1972, are commonly ruled by the same number, being a Gemini and Virgo respectively by their sun signs. And that should put the film on the safety mark. As far as the performances go, the year 2013, which is adding up to number 6 of Venus, is likely to prove lucky for most number 3, 6, 8 and 9 people, places, dates, names, etc. Actor Ranveer Singh, born on the 6th of July 1985, falls into this bracket directly, whereas Sonakshi Sinha, born on 2nd of June 1987's destiny number also arrives on the same number, which is 6 of Venus. Obviously, no prizes for guessing the passion and chemistry between the lead pair will be to watch out for. And yes, coupled with some absolute superlative acting, especially in the emotional scenes, which will just win you over completely. For Ranveer, the kind of appreciation what he would receive from the critics as well as the audiences will simply turn out to be the best birthday gift ever from him, which falls on the following day of the release. All said and done, this love story will touch your soul and your heart stolen.